Oh, look at that cream leaf. Unreal, huh? And we're getting some proper leaves. And then, let's see, the variegation's just starting to show. Yeah, as they fill out, that's going to get way more distinct. And it'd be a big rack. Be a nice rack, good spacing between hands. Yeah, pretty cool. Started into the male flower now. No more female, no more banana formation. And the cream here is putting up a beautiful shoot. Look at that. Unreal. Wow. But yeah, the tips are going to brown a bunch and probably make it kind of ugly when it does, when the leaves start to go. But man, that variegated. What a nice variation in that. Kind of too bad I couldn't have split this one off. But there are a bunch of little ones down below, so I'll get my chances. But wow. Now something. And those beauties.